If you're looking for a crypto wallet, two big names pop up, which is the Trust Wallet and the Coinbase. But which one's right for you? Let's compare the two. So Trust Wallet is a non-custodial, meaning you can control your private keys and that's great for security and freedom. So Coinbase Wallet also offers a non-custodial version, but most people use the custodial Coinbase app where Coinbase holds your keys. And Coinbase is a beginner friendly with a clean interface and easy crypto buying using fiat. So Trust Wallet is more for users comfortable with self-custody, dApps, and DeFi, slightly more complex but powerful. So basically, Trust Wallet supports a wide range of tokens and has a built-in dApp browsing and staking options. While on the other hand, Coinbase Wallet also supports many assets, so connects the DeFi protocols, and the main Coinbase app is focused on simple buying and selling. So Trust Wallet puts full responsibility on you. Lose your recovery phrase and your funds are gone. While Coinbase, on the other hand, offers a strong account recovery options and insurance on custodial funds. So here is the table for its comparison, which is under the features. We have type, control, ease of use, security, supported coins, features, and what's its best for. So under the Trust Wallet, it is a non-custodial wallet, which is you will own your keys. And if you lose all the keys, then your funds, you will lose all your funds as well. While on the other hand, Coinbase is a centralized exchange and wallet at the same time. So it controls the full user control of assets. So basically, you have its full control under the Trust Wallet. While on the other hand, on the Coinbase, Coinbase itself controls your private keys. So under the ease of use, Trust Wallet is simple and mobile first. So in Coinbase, it is also beginner friendly and it can be used via website and mobile as well. So under the security, Trust Wallet is a user managed security. So in security, Trust Wallet is under the user managed security, but in Coinbase, it has a much higher exchange level of security than the Trust Wallet. So on Trust Wallet, it has 160 plus blockchain supported coins, while on the other hand, Coinbase has higher or has most like 250 cryptocurrencies, mostly major ones than the Trust Wallet. Then the features of it is under the Trust Wallet, you could have the dApp and staking as well as it supports NFT. But under the Coinbase, it is based on buy and selling cryptocurrencies and earning rewards. So Trust Wallet is best for some advanced users who wants their full control on their assets, and Coinbase is best for some beginners who want convenience. So if you want the full control and plan to explore DeFi, Trust Wallet is for you. But if you're a new or prefer a safer, simpler experience, Coinbase is a better choice. So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe so you never miss a new video.